Welcome to the GW Drupal training video series designed to help you create, manage, and maintain your GW Drupal site on a day-to-day basis. More information about GW Drupal can be found on the Online Strategy website, where additional training materials and information on web best practices are provided. Today we'll walk through the steps of creating a rotating sidebar using the content set content type in GW Drupal. Content sets are a way for you to group individual detail pages and specialized content together in a specific manner. They do not create web pages, rather they create elements that can be added to web pages to provide relevant information or to increase usability. The rotating sidebar is a great way to feature several items in a single area. It will reference content that already exists in your site, so if you haven't already, you'll need to first create the article, general content page, promotion, or person pages that you want to have in your rotating sidebar. The rotating sidebar can be placed in the right or left sidebar and will auto-rotate through the content that you elect to place in it. To create a rotating sidebar, access the content set content type in one of the following ways. In the upper right-hand corner, hover your cursor over this arrow and select Add Content. On the next page, select Content Set from the Content Types list. On the admin screen, choose All-Purpose Sidebar-Rotating as your subtype. Alternatively, you can also hover over My Workbench, then Create Content, then select Content Set from the flyout options provided. And again, choose All-Purpose Sidebar-Rotating as your subtype. Wherever you see a red asterisk in GW Drupal, that is indicating that completion of a field is required. I'm going to move down to my next required field, which is the title field. The title is the name that Drupal will search for when you add a rotating sidebar to the left or right sidebar of your detail page. Be sure to give the rotating sidebar a title that is easily identifiable, especially if you're creating other pages or elements with similar content or context. The on-site content field uses a GW Drupal function known as the node reference. This means that you can begin typing in the name of a piece of content that you've already created in Drupal, and it will provide you a list of options to select from. For the rotating sidebar, the on-site content field will search the GW Drupal database for any piece of content using the article, event, general content, person, or promotion content type. To add additional items to the list of on-site content, click the Add Another Item button. Off-site content and on-site downloads are not supported by the rotating sidebar content set and can be left blank. You only need to provide site placement if you need your rotating sidebar to display on the home page. In that instance, you'll want to give your content set a site placement of home. Otherwise, you can leave the site placement field blank. Scheduling options, meta tags, and authoring information should all be left as is. You can go ahead and move down to publishing options. If you are ready to publish your rotating sidebar, click the publishing panel and change the moderation state to published. Then click the Save button. By default, the rotating sidebar pane on the home page is not turned on. To add the rotating sidebar to your home page, navigate to your home page, click the Customize This Page button, click the plus button in the right or left column where you would like to place your rotating sidebar, click on GW Display Views - Site Placement, select GW Content Set - Rotating Sidebar Homepage. If desired, customize your title or leave it blank. If you have images associated with the content in your rotating sidebar, you can display those images as well. Click Finish. then click Save. You'll want to then refresh your page to see your changes. For any other page that you'd like to add your rotating sidebar to, navigate to that page, click New Draft, scroll down to the Sidebar content fields, then use the Drupal node reference to search for your rotating sidebar. Once you've found it and selected it, go down to your publishing options, change your moderation state to Publish, Needs Review, or Draft as appropriate, and save the page. You should now see the rotating sidebar displayed in the sidebar of your detail page. For more GW Drupal videos and other resources, visit the Online Strategy website.